Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book cheap flights using Google Flights. So, first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, okay? And then before we proceed, you have to take note that if you love traveling but want to save money on airfare, so Google Flights is one of the best tools you can use to find cheapest flight options. Okay, so again, you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for Google Flights. Okay, so just open a new tab and I'm just going to type in right here Google Flights. Okay, and then here you just have to proceed to this website. So simply tap on this one. That's right. So once you're on the page, you'll see the flight search box where you can enter your departure city, your destination, and your travel dates, and then the number of passengers. This is where you begin searching for available flights. So, for example, you are from Cagayan de Oro City or Laguindingan Airport, and then you just have to choose your destination. For example, you're planning to visit Japan, and then your travel dates. Okay, for example, weekend. Okay, so tap on the done option. Okay, next is you just have to again like type your departure airport and your destination. Okay, so one important tip when booking cheap flights is to stay flexible with your dates because ticket prices can change depending on the day. Okay, so we have to go back here. That's right, and then we have to be flexible. So I'm just going to select like around May. That's right, or next month, next 6 months. Then tap on the done option. So after entering the details, you just have to click the search to see the available flights. Okay, so after that, you just have to tap on the enter. That's right, and tap on the done option, and you'd be able to see here now the result. So, so one of the best features of Google Flights is the price calendar. So you can click on the date box and you'll see the calendar showing the flight prices for different days. So green or lower prices usually indicates cheaper travel days, and sometimes changing your flight by just 1 or 2 days can save you a lot of money. So always check the calendar before selecting your final travel date. Next is to use filters to find the best flight. So Google Flights also allows you to filter your result. So at the top of the page, you can filter flights by okay, so let me just show you that right here. So this is the filter section. So we have the price, the airline, the number of stops, departure time, flight duration. So for example, if you want a non-stop flight, okay, and you can filter the results to show only the direct flights. And if you want the cheapest flight, you can sort the result by price. Okay, so here we have the stops, the travel mode, and then the interest. Okay, and then the price. So we can set the price right here. Okay, so all of the results that we can find here ranges from this price. Okay, so this helps you quickly find the best flight that fits your budget and your schedule. We also have here the airlines. So if you want to select all the airlines, then you can go here. And if you want to be specific with the airline that you want to book your ticket from, so just have to go here. Okay, and then the duration. Next one is you can track the flight prices. So another powerful feature is the price tracking. So if you're not ready to book yet, you can turn on tracking prices. So Google Flights will, then monitor the flight and send the notifications if the price goes up or down. So this helps travelers book their tickets when the price is the lowest. Okay, so yeah, let's go back here and find our results. So for example, this one. So we'd be able to see here the details. Okay, so let me just tap on this flight. That's right. Okay, so let me just select this one as well. And then you have here now the track price option for you to be able to track the price if the price goes up or goes down. Okay, so tap on the done option after that. Next one is you just have to book the flight. So to book your flight, so once you find the flight you want, you just have to click on it. So for example, we have this one. So the Google Flights will show you booking options from different airlines or travel website. So you just have to choose the option that works best for you, and you just have to tap on the select option. Okay, so again, for example, here we have the different airlines. Okay, these are the available airlines for this specific flight. So we have Philippine Airlines and the Cebu Pacific. Okay, so choose the option that works best for you and click on select. Okay, and you'll then be redirected to the airline's website or booking platform where you can complete your purchase. So just enter your passenger details, choose your seat if available, and finalize your payment. Okay, so let me just tap on this one. Okay, so for example, we already have this option. So just simply tap on this price. Okay, and then tap on the continue option. Okay, so here are a few quick tips to get even cheaper flights. So you can book your flights several weeks in advance and be flexible with your travel dates. And consider flying on weekdays instead of weekends. So use the price tracking to monitor fare changes, and these tips can help you save even more airfare. Okay, so again, you have here the tracking button, so you can track the prices if it change, if it goes up or goes down. Okay, so again, by using the filter, you can find a specific or a perfect ticket for your flight. Okay, so we also have round trip or one way. So if you're planning to travel, just if you're planning to purchase a one-way ticket, then you just have to go here. Okay, and then you have the number of passengers again. You have that right here. And then the type of your flight. So we have economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Okay, so yeah, you just have to visit this website if you want to book a cheaper flight. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.